Welcome to Art with Himali. Today I'm going to try out the products of the welcome kit that I received from Fevicryl Fine Art. Here's the catalog of all their products. I got 2 shades, a canvas and a brush as well as a gift. So first of all, I took my sketchbook and I just roughly sketched out the mountains. I'm going to use the Burnt Sienna and Viridian Blue artist acrylic paints. So I shaded the sky area and then I dabbed some clouds on them as well. I painted the mountain with burnt sienna in a dark and a lighter shade. These artist colors are water soluble, so it came out very nicely. With the fine liners of 3 different sizes, I made the base drawing of doodled flowers and leaves and designed in it later with a fine line. That's it. I enjoyed this gift from P Delight Fevicryl. Thank you so much for watching.